I have tried many niches in the past year. Today, I'm going to share a profitable niche for video content. I will make a video about a faceless tech channel. Soon, you will start earning money. This faceless YouTube channel earns between $6,800 to $108,000 a year just by posting tech videos. Now we're going to follow the exact same strategy that this channel used. We'll use ChatGPT to generate our video script and create image generation prompts to bring the content to life, completely automated and faceless. For the audio, we'll use CapCut.com's text-to-speech feature. Just follow my steps, and you'll have your voiceover ready in minutes. Now for image generation and motion videos, we'll use Leonardo AI. Just follow my steps one by one and you'll see how easy it is to create stunning visuals. Now we've reached the final step, editing our video in CapCut. We already have everything ready, the script, audio, and visuals. All we need to do now is put it all together. I'll walk you through each step as I add some basic effects, smooth, transitions, and simple text animations. These small edits might seem simple, but they can make a huge difference, and even help you grow a successful YouTube channel. Now, let's take a look at the final result. Technology is evolving faster than ever. From artificial intelligence shaping our everyday lives to quantum computing promising to solve problems once thought impossible, the future is now. Imagine cities run by smart systems, where traffic, lights adapt in real time and energy grids optimize themselves. In our pockets, phones have become more than tools. They're our assistants, our wallets, our health trackers. Meanwhile, robotics is transforming industries, from autonomous warehouses to surgical bots with microscopic precision. The rise of wearable tech means our bodies now speak directly to data. Even in agriculture, drones monitor crops and AI predicts harvests. But it's not just machines. The real revolution is data and how we harness it. As we move deeper into the digital age, one thing is certain. Those who understand technology won't just keep up. They'll lead. Subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech.